In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow in Photopea. Start by heading to photopea.com in your web browser. Photopea is a free browser-based image editor that works a lot like professional desktop tools, so you won't need to install anything. When the workspace loads, we'll bring in the image we want to work with. Click Open from Computer, then select your file from your device. Give it a second to load, and you should see your image appear on the canvas with a layer in the Layers panel on the right. Before we add a shadow, we'll set up the blend mode so the shadow integrates nicely with your background. In the Layers panel, look for the drop-down at the top that likely says Normal. Click that menu and choose Darken. Darken tells Photopea to keep only the darker pixels when combining this layer with what's beneath it, which helps shadows feel more natural and avoids brightening edges or highlights. Now we'll add the actual shadow effect. Go to the top menu and click Layer. From there, choose Layer Style and then click Drop Shadow. This opens the Layer Style window with a live preview so you can see changes on your canvas as you make them. If your layer has transparent areas, you'll notice an option called Knockout Drop Shadow. Uncheck Knockout Drop Shadow. Leaving it checked can cause the shadow to punch through or cut out parts of underlying layers, which is usually not what you want for a simple, realistic shadow. Unchecking it ensures the shadow sits behind your object and blends smoothly with the background. While you're in this window, you'll see common shadow controls like angle, distance, size, and opacity. Angle controls the direction of the light, distance offsets the shadow from the object, and size softens the edges. These controls are there to help match your shadow to the lighting in your image. For this walkthrough, the key change is simply turning off Knockout Drop Shadow. When you're satisfied with the preview, click OK to apply the effect. That's it, you've added a clean, believable shadow in Photopea. If you don't see the result you expect, make sure the correct layer is selected in the Layers panel and that you changed its blend mode to darken earlier. Subtlety is your friend with shadows. Even small adjustments in the Layer Style window can make a big difference in realism. With this setup, your subject should sit more naturally in the scene, with depth and dimension that looks polished and professional.